Welcome, one and all. I am your host, Rokafella, and he is
Quickstep, aka DJ KS360.
And we are Quick to Rock, a hip-hop variety talk show providing a glance into the underground artists who are keeping the legacy of hip-hop, street, and club culture alive.
Hi, my name is John Freer. I'm a stop-motion animator, and I worked on the PSA you just watched here on BronxNet. It's a PSA about gun violence, trying to encourage creative outlets instead of destructive ones. You can see a little bit of my process here. Everything in the PSA was made by hand, which is typical for stop-motion.
19.7% of Bronxites currently experience food insecurity. Meanwhile, instead of these nice, colorful foods, this is the best food that they have access to.
Remember your mission?
Prime Directive, solve the question, whatever happened to Earth's nature?
And send reports that will serve as a guide for new generations on how to improve the way of life, help the planet, and save the future. Remember, you have to send all your coordinates constantly. And most importantly, if you want to return to the time.
Professor, the electromagnetic field is closing!
Worry not, as long as the sky doesn't turn red. Oh! Santa Cashicha!
Emergency! As a Ghanaian, we don't have much that we see on TV that represents us. That was the inspiration to, some of my film projects, and coming into this project was to be able to create a project that when they watch it on TV, they are able to see themselves, and I feel like it will allow them to know that they can do so many great things.
Oh, I can't wait till they pay me though.
Yeah, about that. I know we agreed on 300, but if you tag me, I can do 200.
Well, I was hoping we could settle everything until after I get paid. You know how these little brands are.
Yeah, I know. Took you 3 months to pay me last time. I still had rent and I still had to eat.
Okay, and wear Timbs in the summer. I just can't let Jenny down again, okay?
Welcome to my show, Fund Your Dreams, where honestly, I get to hang out with some of my good friends who are doing big things in their industry. We have a good time, creative chats, and talk cash facts.
Porque, why you ask? I'm a creative and I don't want to go broke while I fund my dreams.
Okay, Jonathan, 2 words. Influencer, Olympics. What comes to mind?
Okay, I think about Coachella. I think about the creative to brand connection. But how are these creatives even making money?
And more than that, how do these festivals make money? Because I know, a Beyonce is commanding a big check.
My project can help strengthen the community by being a platform.
I used to live in Kingsbridge, and I used to come here all the time. I actually went to school in 231st. I used to be in this park all the time. I used to go to the pool all the time.
We will present to you a live art competition. You will have 3 amazing artists who will create wonderful things right before your eyes. As they compete and complete their artwork, the audience will determine who's going to be the winner.
Create engaging experiences with my art. Sometimes I'll do it through augmented reality, and I also work in virtual reality.
I am Will Roberts. I am a VR artist, VR director. The project I'm working on with BronxNet is called Vala. It's a projectile fighting game.